Let's test what we have done so far. Scroll back up to the top of our notebook and run each input cell separately by clicking the Run button. As soon as the number on the left next to In appears, you know that the cell has been run. Below the cell might be some output shown, either if you printed something or if there happens to be an error in the cell. In the Initialize Analytics Reporting function, we should be getting an error. There has been an unexpected indent. I have used a 4-space indent for the return line. However, for the rest of the template, there are just 2 spaces. Thus, I need to adjust this by adding a 4-space indent everywhere. Run the cell again, and you should not be getting an error again. Continue executing cells to see if you get any more errors. Again, we are getting an unexpected indent error. Adjust the description of the non-segmentation function as well as the description of the segmentation function, since they are copies of each other. Run the functions again and hopefully you also do not get an error. Let's now try to initialize our credentials. So delete everything except the line where we run the Initialize Analytics Reporting function and assign it to a variable called Analytics. Run it and we get an import error about the file cache. We can fix this by scrolling up to that function and add cache discovery equals false after the credentials parameter. Again, mind the capital letter F. Run the cell again. If you do not run the cell after changes, your changes will not be incorporated. Try to run the initialization again to see if we fixed the problem, and your credentials are accepted now. Test the getWeekdays function to see if we are actually calculating the right date. In a business environment, you should make more tests. Respectively, another team may test your code. However, we just make some small tests to see if we get what we coded. Try 2 dates, once for the year 2016, week 39, and once for the year 2017, week 10. The results are 2016, 9, 27, and 2017, 3, 11.